Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change scroll speed of mouse wheel on Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Devices. Click Mouse. Select multiple lines at a time. Change the value under Choose how many lines to scroll each time. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.